Okay, let's implement the role deletion part. So this is something that we have implemented already, and you should be really familiar with this by now. So we have the delete button in here, which goes to the roles.destroy, passing in the role model, and the method is delete. And we also want to confirm the action. So this looks good, and we only need to implement that on the controller side. So let's define that destroy method. And what I also want to do is I want to define a new request class in here. So let's do that. So artisan make request destroy role request. Let's define that, and let's import that in here. Destroy role request, and we also get the role. So let's implement this class. So for now we are passing in a default value of true, and here what we want to do, okay, maybe we don't want to do anything in here because we are only validating the authorization part, so that only the authorized user is able to delete the roles. We don't need any validations in here because we are getting that role from the route itself. So this looks good, and let's delete the role and redirect the user to the roles.index. And let's also implement the toast. So toast with the title of role deleted successfully. So let's save this and test it out now. So let's click on edit, and we click on cancel, nothing happens. And when I click on confirm, the role should be deleted. Okay, that looks good. So the CRUD of roles is finally done, and in the next part what we'll be working on is we'll define the gates for the permissions that a certain role has. So what we'll do is we'll just get all of the roles for us on the currently authenticated user, and then define the gates for the permissions. So we'll do that in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.